If you've been thinking about starting an online business, creating a digital product, or making money online, but you keep getting stuck on where to begin, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple roadmap to help you go from confused and overwhelmed to having a real digital product built and ready to sell. Because the truth is, most people do not fail because they lack talent. They fail because they have too much information and no clear direction. One person says start a course. Another says become an affiliate. Someone else says grow followers first. Then another says run ads. After hearing 10 different strategies, most people freeze and do nothing. So let's simplify it. First, what is a digital product? A digital product is something you create once and sell online repeatedly. That could be an ebook, guide, templates, mini course, planner, printable, membership, checklist, prompt pack, workshop, or other downloadable resource. Unlike physical products, there is no inventory, no shipping, and no boxes in your living room. Once it's created, it can be delivered digitally. That is why digital products are powerful. You can turn knowledge, experience, skills, or creativity into an income-producing asset. Now let's get into the roadmap. Step 1 is to pick one product. This is where many people get stuck. They try to build 5 things at once: a course, an ebook, a YouTube channel, a coaching business, and a brand, all in the same week. That usually creates stress and zero progress. Instead, choose one product you can realistically finish. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? What have I learned through experience? What problem can I help someone solve? What skill comes naturally to me? What topic could I talk about for hours? Your first product does not need to be groundbreaking. It needs to be useful. If you know budgeting, create a budgeting guide. If you know fitness, create a beginner workout plan. If you know Canva, create templates. If you know organization, create planners. If you know social media, create content prompts. Keep it simple. Solve one clear problem for one clear type of person. Step 2 is to use AI to help build it. A lot of people think they need to be a writer, designer, marketer, and expert before they can start. That is no longer true. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, research topics, create outlines, write drafts, generate titles, create sales copy, and save you a massive amount of time. Let's say you want to create an ebook. You can ask AI to build a chapter outline, then ask it to write the first draft, then ask it for title ideas, then ask it to create a checklist bonus. Now, instead of staring at a blank screen for months, you are directing a system. The same applies to templates, courses, memberships, and more. AI is not replacing your voice. It is helping you move faster. You bring the vision. AI helps with execution. Step 3 is to make it look valuable. Many people create useful products that never sell because they look confusing, rushed, or unprofessional. Presentation matters. People make fast decisions online. That means your product needs a clear title, a clean design, an obvious benefit, easy to read formatting, a polished look. For example, instead of calling it My Finance Ebook, call it 30-Day Budget Reset for Beginners. Instead of Workout PDF, call it Busy Woman Home Workout Blueprint. Specific names create stronger interest. You can use simple tools like Canva to package your product professionally. Remember this: a great product in poor packaging often gets ignored. Step 4 is to set up your money machine. This is where your product becomes a business. You need a simple system where someone can discover your product, buy it, and receive it smoothly. That usually includes a sales page, a checkout link, automated delivery, a thank you page, optional email follow-up. You do not need a giant website to begin. You just need a smooth buying experience. If someone wants to buy, do not make it difficult. Step 5 is to launch. This is where many people delay themselves. They wait until everything feels perfect. Perfect branding, perfect confidence, perfect timing, perfect product. That day usually never comes. The truth is this: a live imperfect product is worth more than a perfect product nobody can buy. Once you launch, you gain feedback. You gain confidence, you gain momentum, you gain experience, and you open the door to real sales. Your first version is allowed to be imperfect. Most successful businesses started messy. Most creators had awkward first videos. Most brands improved over time. The difference is they launched. Done beats perfect. Now let's talk about promotion. Once your product is live, create content that helps people with small parts of the bigger problem. If you sell a budgeting guide, post money tips. If you sell a fitness product, post beginner fitness advice. If you sell Canva templates, post design tips. If you sell content prompts, post content ideas. Helpful content builds trust. Trust create sales. You do not need to pressure people. You need to help people. Now, here's the biggest mindset shift. Most people think they need more motivation. Usually, they need clarity. When people know exactly what to do next, action becomes easier. That is why systems matter. Instead of asking, "Can I do this?" ask, "What is my next move?" Pick one product. Use AI to build it. Package it clearly. Set up payment. Launch it. Repeat. That simple process can change your finances over time. And one more thing. Do not underestimate the value of your own life experience. The mistakes you learned from, the skills you built, the struggles you overcame, the systems you figured out, those things can become products that genuinely help others. Someone is a few steps behind you right now and would gladly pay for a shortcut. So if you have been waiting for a sign to stop consuming and start creating, this is it. Start simple. Start imperfect. Start now. Because creating one real asset can do more for your future than another 6 months of overthinking. If you want help building online income streams with AI, digital products, and proven step-by-step systems, join the eProducts Empire School community. School is spelled with a K. The link is below.